Hello everyone, I'm Pablo from the Indicator Store and this is a NinjaTrader chart, and we are going to start a series of videos where I will explain how to create signals, automate the signals, and also optimize the parameters for your strategy. Let's say that we want to trade the slope of a line, and for that let me choose an HMA, the whole moving average. HMA, and we can choose a period of 100 and we get something like this. And let's say we want to detect when this is going down or this is going up. So we need to calculate the slope of that line. One easy way to do that is using the momentum indicator. And because NinjaTrader has the feature that you can nest one indicator to another, with the momentum indicator, we can calculate the momentum of this HMA. And let me show you. Any NinjaTrader indicator has the input series input parameter that by default it is the price, close. But we can choose something else, like for example the HMA. So we can select indicators, HMA, and the period of this HMA was 100. And by default, the momentum indicator draw a line on the main panel. So my suggestion is use a new panel, and the plot style, instead of a line, select bar. So we get a histogram at the bottom, like this. And as you can see, the histogram is a representation of the slope. This 0 is when the line changes the slope. Okay, so we can use this as a filter, as a trigger. Okay, and for example, let's say that we have this could be my filter, no? So we can make it green, and then we can add another HMA to trigger signals. For example, 17. And now my signals can be those trend changes. And in the same way, we can calculate those trend changes with another momentum. So we can do copy and paste. So we need to do everything again. And now for the signals, let me remove those arrows. For the signals, first of all, let me change the color, because this is the signal, like this, but with a different period, because this is the momentum of the HMA with a period of 17. Okay, okay. And now I have a lot of signals: long, short, long. Each time there is a crossover, we have a signal, and we can use the other momentum to filter those signals. So in this area to the upside, where the momentum is positive, we take only the longs. And then when this is negative, we take only the crossover downs. Okay? So what we saw is we can use the momentum to calculate the slope of any line. And NinjaTrader has a feature that lets you use the input series to place anything inside another indicator. And this is how we use the momentum to calculate the slope instead of the price of the line that we place here. If you like this type of content, please give me a like and also subscribe. Click on the bell so you receive a notification when I upload a new video, because on the following videos I am going to explain how to create a strategy using Builder following these same rules. And on another video I am going to explain how to optimize those values and create a strategy report. And we have a chat room on Discord. The access is free. So if you are interested, you can find the instructions to log in on the description of this video. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.